Globally, almost everyone wants to be rich and avoid poverty. Although becoming a millionaire is more attainable nowadays, many are held back by hesitation or a lack of preparation. Some stick to the familiar, making up excuses along the way. Still, those who succeed in getting rich truly appreciate its benefits. So what are the reasons you want to be a millionaire? The ability to give back. Well, first things first, thanks to the perseverance and guidance of countless mentors and teachers, each of us was able to grow into who we are today. Even though you put great effort to get where you are, you have the possibility to seek out help. Now is a good time to give back. Having a lot of money lets you start helping right away, which is great. You can even start giving even if you still have debt, as long as it isn't too big. Wealth allows you to help in big ways. Take philanthropic pursuits like the Bill and Melinda Foundation, for example. When most people give money, they're not sure where it goes or why. They usually write checks because they feel guilty or embarrassed. But when you have millionaire money, you can give to causes you truly believe in. You also get to decide how you give, whether with strings attached or with specific conditions. What's more, giving can be enjoyable and can happen in many ways. Furthermore, a kind person can easily make friends, especially when they give away millions of dollars. The secret of living is giving. You might think that being a millionaire means having fancy cars and huge houses, but actually it's about the power it gives you. Being able to get what you want in life matters to everyone, including you. What I'm trying to say, being rich means having no worries. This one involves both money and psychology. Here's the thing, when you have more money, you worry less. It's normal to worry when things are unsafe, but even when things are safe, you might still worry. If you don't owe money to anyone, you don't have to worry about things like losing your home. And if your spending is less than what you earn, you can start investing and saving for emergencies. The gap between your spending and earnings keeps you safe, along with the emergency fund that helps when unexpected things happen. Being financially independent helps you not stress about losing your job or how much you earn from working. All in all, having enough money to never work again means any money you earn is like a bonus. Up next, confidence. Did you know that being wealthy in life gives you confidence? Yes, you heard that right. So if you are shy, all you need to do is be rich, and the rest will sort itself out. The ability to function more logically is not the same as having higher self-esteem. Most importantly, you may be who you are without worrying about whether you can afford to buy ice cream for your loved ones. There's a unique kind of confidence that comes from having money. When you're rich, you feel like you can do almost anything. It's not that money makes you believe in yourself more, but it helps you think more logically. You might believe that being a millionaire allows you to show off your money publicly, but in reality, the people who do that might not be the best examples to follow. When you want the right kind of confidence as a millionaire, you want to be sure about your decisions and make smart choices. This means you can pick what presents to buy or projects to support without worrying. Having more money lets you do what you enjoy and can help you get rid of any uncertainty about whether it's possible or not. Now, here's something people often forget about millionaires. They assume their lives are simple. While that may be true for a few, millionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Steve Jobs began working on computers way before they became famous. It took them many years to make their work super efficient and successful worldwide. What's noteworthy in stories like these is that being a millionaire can help you motivate others. Although many rich folks don't show off their money, they inspire others with what they achieve quietly. Even just driving by in a fancy car like a Rolls-Royce or Ferrari, people who like to flaunt their money still get noticed and motivate others. Money gives you choices, and having more choices means you have more say in your life, which inspires other people. Surveys all around the world have found that rich people usually get around 20 more good working years compared to those who are not as lucky. The London Health Observatory has seen a difference between the rich and the poor in the UK for about 25 years. In the US, the American Medical Association suggests there's a 15-year difference. What do these statistics tell us about being a millionaire? You possess greater health quality. It's not unexpected that rich people usually have longer lives. They have enough money to go anywhere for the best medical help. This means they can see top doctors, specialists, and experts from all over the world. They don't have to rely on local hospitals, which might not have the best services. And when it comes to food and diet, rich people enjoy the freedom to eat as healthily as they like. They choose from a wider range of high-quality foods compared to others. Good food costs more. In many big cities, there are special meal services just for the rich where they deliver top-notch food directly, and some even help with preparing the meals. They can follow various diets like vegetarian, vegan, Mediterranean, and more. Not to mention that many wealthy people have their own personal chefs who are good at making healthy food that fits their favorite diets. Furthermore, millionaires can choose any kind of exercise they want, be it an excellent gym membership or even hiring famous fitness trainers like Harley Pasternak, Gunnar Peterson, or Anna Kaiser, just to name a few. They've got it all. Doesn't this motivate you to become rich? Moving on, this final reason to build wealth isn't about facts and figures. It's about your family. Leaving a lasting legacy. If you ask anyone now, or even yourself, it is that you desire to create a strong financial legacy for their loved ones, right? No one wishes to witness their children or grandchildren facing difficulties. Having the assurance that your family will be cared for long after you're not around brings a sense of calm. Having this safety net in place allows you to rest more easily at night. Even if you don't have a family, you might aim to leave a lasting impact by being generous to others. We all aspire to make a positive change in the world. There's nothing quite like pleasantly surprising a single father with money to buy his kids Christmas presents, or leaving a generous tip for a hardworking waitress, or even sponsoring someone for a mission trip. Sharing your money is among the most enjoyable things you can do with it. Now, this is up to you. What legacy would you like to leave behind? Imagine the impact you could have on your loved ones and the world. Are you ready to take steps toward financial security and making a difference? Let's continue this conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time.